County ma Homa Bay kotudre kod sirikal mar piny Amerka chano mar donjo winjruok mar ting'o malo weche mag pur kod chenro michwalo e nembe. Gichano mar keto maine weche pur kod ting'o malo chenro mag lupo kaka yorno mar ting'o malo ngima mar jolupo kod jopur e County ma Homa Bay ka gitiyo maber kod nam lolwe. Kolose lok tich mar County ma Homa Bay jambetre ma piny Amerka e pacho ka Meg Whitman mantiere Homa Bay limbe mandala ariyo wacho ni sirikal ma Amerka biro konyo County ma Homa Bay lombo joket mwandu mabiro keto mwandu e ohand modhi mag tedo rech kod pamba. Gavana ma County ma Homa Bay Gladys Wangat wacho ni obiro keto piny okenge makare mane oni okete time yo maber yo matudruok mar piny Amerka gi County ma Homa Bay.
Along with continuing our very good partnership in health, is to try to bring investors, both other Kenyan companies here and global companies, primarily American, because that's where our influence is. But I think what we've tried to do Kenya-wide, and now we'll do specifically here in Homa Bay, is along those three areas, cotton, more broadly agriculture, edible oils and fish, what projects does the governor want to get underway and what investors could we marry to those particular projects?
We are an agricultural county and we have discussed our priority value chains and the value chains that we want to be leaders in. While Homa Bay is a big grower of many crops, 76% of our people have their earnings from agriculture. We have focused on three key value chains, one being cotton, second being edible oils, and the third being fish. So these are the value chains that we have chosen to focus on and lead in, and these are discussions that we have had with the ambassador.